Stop beginning, I mean everything. You think if you break this door, landlord will leave you? Oh, so you are the one inside this toilet, and I've been knocking since. All those evil spirits in your village have struck you to deafness. Out of my way, I am late for work. Hey, Kai, there's nothing somebody will not see in this world. So if those that have work are talking, you two, you open your mouth and talk. One as a top passenger become work. I mean bus conductor. That two penny about ministry work. Don't turn to work. Hanging rope across your neck, calling me tired, meaning that you are working. My friend, don't insult my job. I'm a dignified civil servant of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Do you hear that? Go and sit down the pig for me, my friend. If you try me again, I will show you what will you do? Okay, come and sit. Come, leave me. I said leave me. Come and sit. Hey! Hey! Leave me, man. Leave me on again, eh? Hey! Hey! Leave me. I said leave me. Come and sit. Hey, leave me. Hey! 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 Oh! Leave me. Oh! Leave me. What is the meaning of this? Because the two of you are staying in this compound, we cannot drink water and drop gum. The two of you are the smallest people in this compound, yet we cannot rest. We cannot. You are the greatest noise makers. Hey, people, come on, want this thing, oh? Want him, oh? I will not know that I'm a civil servant. I will beat him on the inside, oh. Come on, get away. Come on. People, come on. Hey, I want to sit down, people. I will sit down. People, I will sit down. Ah, hey, people.
Never give me my change, Jero. Give me my change.
Madam Volvo, point of correction.
Give me my change. You want text that I need my change. You know, go eat them. Give me my change.
Take your change, Jare.
You want to eat my money. Thank you.
Calabar man, you too talk. Then I say I go stop till they give me my Bible.
I know you go work today.
Come on, for me, I say face, John. I've been every time one person to go work.
Down there, they drink kokoro.
You go change this barrel. You go change them. See as the leg, they want kuru everywhere. In the evening now, you go say, may I pay you 200 naira deposit. I don't like this kind of thing, oh.
My friend, you go mind that thing when you dey inside your mouth so you dey call to. Eh? Have you paid me for the one you damaged last week? Eh?
Why they draw rent now? Madam Volvo. Eh? I don't tell you the other day, say, no be me go jam motor. Now motor can't jam me.
So now I take concern me now. Better know what is good for you and start doing it, oh. I'm telling you. You that monkey, your shots now, 4 shots now, 20 now, give me my money.
Madam Volvo.
Like money.
Give me my money, John.
Madam Volvo. Cool down now, cool down. I be a personal person. Cool down.
Give me this, brother. Give me. Give me. Give me. I ain't in a hurry. Sharp. Hey, where? Hey.
They go and straight, Abi.
Give me the post straight now.
Who you dey shout for now?
I beg give me. So no fool well.
Don't drink this if you want. Where my money?
No worry, no skipping. I will pay you when I come back in the evening.
You say?
I go pay you when I come back. Come on. Control that thing before you're looking for somebody to blame for your hunger.
I will arrest you now.
See. Go ahead to insult me. Insult me because I didn't help you get something.
I didn't insult you. I'm telling you that those cartons are bought with money.
Is it because of 150 naira that you are paying me? Why even go charge you such a man self? Or don't you know say exchange rate don't go up?
My friend, if you don't want to carry these cartons, tell me. Let me get somebody else that will carry for me. Please be careful those cartons, I beg. I got them with money.
said it. I said it before I left the house this morning that people were after me. Huh? It's my enemies. So you people don't want me to become the governor of this state. Huh? Hi! It's a lie. It's just a lie.
Excuse me, sir. Those are my cartons you've just run over.
Yes. And if you don't take time, I will run over you too. If you don't tell me which factions you are supporting and what is inside those cartons.
Factions?
You are mad. Something is wrong with you, this woman. Which political party are you supporting?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Oh, so you people put bombs into these cartons to eliminate me. Huh? You put in bombs here so that I will not become the governor of the state. It's a lie. Both of you are in trouble.
Okay. Are you avoiding paying for those things you just damaged? It's a lie. You're not living here until you pay for it.
Kidnap is part of it. I should have known. Now both of you are in deep soup. Grab him. Grab him. Don't let him go anywhere.
Hey. You are looking for my trouble. You are looking for my trouble. If I whistle. Shut up and you are still talking. You want to blow whistle with this mouth, huh?
Yes, hello? Is that the police headquarters? Good, Inspector. Please, I want you to send to me a team of your policemen. There are political thugs here who have been paid to assassinate me. Yes, I am Chief Thomas Anunepe. Yes, good. I want you to send them. I am along the road. Yes, exactly. Do that fast. Thank you.
Hey! Okay, you mean Eh?
I said keep quiet.
You mean are you serious?
We will know who is serious today.
Now me they wrong, I beg. Now biscuit pay inside. Biscuit.
Where is that? Now this one?
Now him? Others have escaped, but my bodyguards were able to apprehend him. Arrest him. Arrest him.
You wanted to kill Chief, eh?
For biscuit.
Oh yeah, handcuff him. Shut up here, let him out. Visitations.
Okay, car.
These are the bombs, so. The bombs are inside this carton. Live bombs. They want to eliminate me. So that I will not get to the government house. It's impossible. Take him away. Move. Take him away. What do we do now? Huh? What do we do? Biscuit accident. Take him away. What do you do?
Just go there. Don't go there.
Don't go away. What do you do? Hey. What do you do? Shut up! Come on! We want me! What is this?
What's the problem?
Fast. Good. Who is in charge here? Where's the DPO?
He's not on seat, sir. But I think I can handle whatever problem it is.
Good. Lock this man in the cell and throw away the key.
This is a police station, sir. You don't just walk in here and put your hand inside your pocket and bring out some money and drop it on the counter and order us to lock somebody up. What did he do? And who are you?
If you do not know me, you do not deserve to be a policeman in this state. Now, for your information, in a month's time, I am going into the government house. And I will make sure I will sack all the lousy men like you in the police force.
Don't you know Chief Aganeme? He's going to be the governor of this state very soon, you know.
I never knew. I'm very sorry, Chief. You should have told me all this while.
He didn't know, sir.
So, Lucky boy.
Take that man inside. Come inside. You're a fool. Come inside. Nonsense.
Inside. Come in. Sit down. Come on. Sit down. Sit down there.
Come on, sit down here. Good. Nonsense. Sir, we will deal with him thoroughly and squarely. Yeah? This kind of dangerous criminal should not be allowed to exist in our society.
Exactly.
What did he do?
He's a political thug. He tried to assassinate Chief.
Yes, me.
He has bombs inside those cartons. Yes.
Bombs. Yes. Live bombs. Yes. Chief. He just wanted to let me. Now, when your DPO comes back, tell him I was here. I am going to come back to see him properly. Okay?
No problem, sir.
Meanwhile, put this man in the cell. I want him to remain there permanently until I decide what to do with the idiot.
No problems. No problem, sir.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir. Come.
Chief.
It is people like you that give talk about them. When I was a political talk, we were more decent about the whole thing. We never insulted, assassinated, or dealt with anybody on the road, except in their houses. Look at you. You're already a dead man. I said you are already a dead man.
You will die inside this person.
Nonsense.
For biscuits.
Yes, man.
Biscuits.
This is injustice. I did not attack Chief. It was Chief that hit me with his car. I didn't do him anything. Those things said that thing as biscuits. Those biscuits I was carrying for somebody.
Then how do you explain those bombs inside the car?
It is not bombs. It's biscuits.
Stop.
You said you were carrying this for somebody?
Yes.
Where is the person?
She ran away when Chief called.
You see? That's how criminals talk.
This man is
That's how you talk. Officer.
Yes, sir.
Carry this man to the cell. Sellotape his mouth, use marine rope and tie the door.
Yes, sir.
Take him in.
Sure, sir.
Sellotape?
You still there? Get out. I'll go, sir. Go inside. Go inside, sir.
Wait.
I like this. Go inside. Come on, go inside. Go inside.
Thank you. Hey, guy, I get up money.
I know say you know the cheat.
Yes, but I'm believable.
I also know the cheat first.
Hey, back up. But I'm believable. I'm good, very well. Thank you, but I'm believable. Rebecca. Hey. Before. Okay. Let me see that. You can get money today. Go for where that now.
Well, I like that for them. Monkey, yes, where you? Give me my money.
Nah, me no work. No say me I no dey like that way they come. Monkey no fine, but
Mama like am, abi?
You know say me I need dey go for 1 minute.
I know.
See your pepper.
Thank you.
You go knock me this one. Bah. I Madam Bo, good
I'm not smiling with you. You know you are late. Just give me my money and your surcharge. 50 naira.
Madam Bo, why they do like this now? Why they do like this? What is it by your blog? Why they do like this?
My clock say 3 minutes past 6.
Madam Bo, to God, I does not believe you. I'm beginning to believe that you arrange this thing by yourself with 5 minutes past. You arrange them. I know that.
Give me my money, John.
I know that one. Take your money, please.
What is this?
Spend your money.
Calabar, what is this now?
I spend your money.
Give me my surcharge.
Look, let me tell you, from the psycho spiritual anchor, I don't look at that house when you don't feel good when you're there young. You won't take me to the house, don't worry. I will kill you, man.
Opologo! Opologo! Opologo!
I will kill you. Look, let me tell you the secret. Before thief, you go steal this money, that means that my dad, you go call the dad. You go call them.
Calabar!
God, I tell you. They count down, this is number 3. These are not my own, I tell you.
You know those people too. Mina.
That one no be I don't do that. I don't do
Something happened.
I don't trust people at all.
Something don't happen.
What happened?
Now what happened?
They have arrested people.
Arrested people?
For what now? Okon, they say in jam one politician like that. That one not even small. They can say him be political terrorist.
What did you just say? What did you just say? What did you just say? That he jammed somebody with my biro. Hey! Let me just tell you, go and warn him. Go and meet him wherever he is. Tell him that I said he shouldn't come back here without my biro. If he comes, I swear to God I will finish him. I swear I will finish him.
I don't like as they take the talk sometimes. I don't like it at all. When some people are talking some important things, I that kind of time you can carry your mouth put inside. It make me the best. It best me. I don't like it.
Make God punish your mouth.
God don't go punish.
Make God punish your mouth. So you mean say make I not talk? I not sabi talk better thing. Do you know what each of these biro cost me?
I beg me when I leave Madam Vovo making the talk, waiting in the talk. This one where they talk, they're important. Okon, where they carry and go now? They carry and go this place, Central Police Station.
Hey, let us go there.
In Bado even park for that market junction. In fact, I go bring her.
Hey, come back here. Where do you think you are going to? Where is my money?
This woman. I don't understand this woman. What think you your own self?
Keep on, let us go. Let us go there. Let us go.
See your money. Every time you do like money, I don't understand.
Come on, give me my money.
So let us go. Let us go.
See ya. By the way, no people your brother they go bring. Which kind of thing be this self?
Leave it.
I bet me go bring the Bible.
I say leave the Bible here.
I bet me go.
You for this the Bible here. You and that your useless friend Osondo, what is his name? If you don't bring my Bible, I swear you will spend the rest of your miserable life in prison. Useless idiot. I'm robber. Chief, when I tell you that some people are not supposed to be living in this compound, you will not listen to me and you will not do anything about it. When it comes to paying off their house and they won't pay. When it comes to cleaning of the compound, they won't clean. All they know how to do here is just to cause trouble.
What is it again? What has happened?
Is it not that stupid man, what is his name, that calls himself Osondu?
You mean V-Boot?
V what? Somebody that does not look like Beetle. Talk more of V-Boot.
Yeah. What has he done again?
Can you imagine? That man used my biro to go and hit somebody. He has damaged my biro. And the worst of it all, my biro, I cannot see. He's owing me for my biro for 2 days. He bought Kai for me for 4 days now, he has not paid. And they have locked him up. Chief, I am telling you now, do something about it, oh. Because if I catch that man, I will squeeze my money out of his anus.
They have locked him up. I can't be serious. Somebody that promised me that he was going to pay me my house rent yesterday.
Are you mad? Clean this water now before I deal with you. You will know the difference between hot and utter. Clean which water? Now you own this place. Oh, you will know who owns this compound today. You will know. By the time I will finish dealing with you, you will know who I be. type? What you said? My file? My file? Classify government information if you don't know. My clothes, classify private clothes. What? I will deal with you.
Deal with you.
I'll finish you, Moses. I'll finish you. Finish you. Moses! 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 What is that?
Will somebody shut up these two mosquitoes? If not, I will lock them up like they just locked up or something. What's all this? Somebody can't rest in his house again. Nonsense.
Did he say they arrested people or what? Yes. And what did he do? They say he fight a politician. Hey! His own is finished.
Hey! He said he's finished.
Now so, it will happen to you one day. Try again. You do stupid thing. Try again. Hey! Come get out! Come, you have to shout. I don't have your time. Try come out.
Now let him be down. Come, shift, go, that's how I don't want trouble, I beg you.
You know I am. 3 from 4.
I blame you. I go blame you. Come on, now who you drop this thing for?
What did they do? I beg, what you make me
So I make you just leave and waka like that. I don't blame you. Now me cause I come police work.
6 from 7. Chief.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome, sir. Your boys are still here.
Is your DPO in?
Yes, he is in. But if it is because of that man that wanted to assassinate you, you can talk to me. Because I'm the one in charge. Yes. You see as the world be now. You see the world. You see wetin dey wrong with the world. Say the world decrease. Now maybe the person when they hit that innocent man, they brutalize him, they kick him, they punch him. They don't reach now. Chief don't come now. Waka straight. They go meet DPO for business. You see him?
And that one a DPO now. You're the inspector. When big man and big man. Make you know they put your man too.
Yes, so. Come out. Which kind of life with this one? Monkey go to walk, baboon go to chop.
Now you sabi now.
This one, sir. It's a very great honor to have the governor to be in my office this morning. You're welcome, Chief.
I hear you, but the election has not held yet.
But, Chief, but you don't have any competition.
I have, my brother. I have. There are people who do not want me to be alive. Like the boy I brought in here yesterday. These are the type of people my political rivals are using to remove me. DPO, I want that boy to remain in this cell as long as possible. Please. I want to use him to make a political statement. I am going to call a press conference and parade him as one of the hired assassins used by my enemies. So I want that boy to remain in the cell, please.
Don't you think that that's a more dangerous thing to do?
No. Politics is not just a dirty game. It is equally a dangerous game. And I need people like you who are the masters to help me play it so that I can win. And if you help me play it to win, I will make sure that I will make you the state police commissioner.
Chief.
Commissioner.
Chief.
Commissioner.
He will stay there as long as you want him to stay there.
Good. Very good, DPO. I'll prove to you that I'm a man of my word. Commissioner. Commissioner.
Chief!
Please, thank you very much.
Okay, Chief.
I'll be leaving now. I'll come back to this office.
Your boys are loyal. You don't have any problem.
Commissioner! Just help me play the game.
Okay, Chief.
All day.
No problem.
All right.
No problem, Chief.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, Chief.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi, Chief. State Police Commissioner.
See, the thing where me they talk be say they no get any right to arrest people.
Yes.
They don't get any right at all. See, now trouble then they find so. Now big trouble then they find. Make we know what we go do now. Make we know what we go do. I don't know what they do here.
No. We does not need any native doctor to come and tell us that these people has carried the trouble enter into the 18 years old. So what I'm trying to tell you is that we will go out there, then go and look for one policeman who will kidnap that policeman. Then by so doing, that one will now force them to release the good for us.
Yes!
That is it.
Yes!
That is it.
So now what you want to plan with this, eh? So, una dey plan make this people kill us, eh? Ha! I know they.
You see this is shocking. This kind of people are people who suppose tie hand and leg. Don't be inside gutter.
Inside
supposed to be killed though.
Let's get animal.
As I look you like this, best way look your face go to say you get heart. But na chicken heart you get. I dey even check exact liver.
Turkey liver I get. They talk chicken.
Make I tell you now. No be to the open mouth, they close. Now be the thing. Now people like una wey no get sense. Now they get killed easily. You see, no be say I dey afraid of confronting the police. But wetin I dey talk say we go do am sensibly.
Everything sense.
Don't talk like that. Don't make no talk like that. No, don't talk like that. What is the sense and the able inside the matter where we dey talk now? We are talking about them, but you dey here they talk about sense and able. You wake up sense and able. Make you tell us your plan. Tell us your plan now. Go and tell us your plan. Tell us your plan.
Wetin you want? Now make we go kidnap police, eh?
That is it. That is it.
No deal.
That one na 1-1.
Make I tell una. Whether na kidnap or whether na protest, the thing wey me dey talk be say make they release people today.
Today no go pass. Una remember say na people today involve o. Una no say na people. Una remember that o. No go pass today na today.
Make una no vex. Whether na people to na call am, abi na E-class. The only thing I want to beg una be say na they go make una help me carry and come back here. Because that man they owe me house rent. He dey owe for my kai. He dey owe for my biro. Make una tell us make he carry my money come. If not,
all we are saying now is all we are saying.
Here.
You are holding one of our members. Yes! You must release people now. Now!
And I am ordering you in the name of the president to leave this place now. Else, I will not only shoot you down, I am going to bombard you, mow you down with my AK-47, 48, 49, even my Mark 4 then gun with staccato gunfire.
I am also ordering you, in the name of God, to release people now.
What's the matter, Corporal?
Mutiny, treason, felony, sir, outside.
What is the matter?
They say they're in a bio-pusher union with V-Boot. Sir, permission to lock all of them up, sir.
Wait. The barrel pushers?
Yes, sir.
What do they want?
They want V-Boot released to them.
Hey, these people want to put somebody in trouble. Oh. Hey? Hey! Let's go and see them.
All we are saying, give us V-Boot.
It's okay. What do you say you want? We cannot release V-Boot to you because he is a criminal.
You must release V-Boot to us now.
Yes.
Now.
All we are saying, give us V-Boot.
Is that Chief? Chief, there's a problem here. Chief, I just have to release V-Boot now. I have to release him. Chief, you don't understand. There's riot on my hand now. I cannot hold that man on any technicality, Chief. That man has not done anything wrong. Okay. Yeah, I want you to come and see things yourself. Yeah, so that by the time you come, we can sort out things that will even benefit you. Yes, Chief. Okay. And meanwhile, let me release him to them. Okay, Chief. Alright. Bye-bye. Hi. Commissioner of Police. Commissioner of Police. Hi. God go punish V-Boot. God go punish her. Let me release him. Go and get me that wretch from the cell.
Sure, sir!
Yes, that is Now listen, out of the magnanimity of the police and the kindness of my heart, I release V-Boot to you. But I want you to understand that the police is always your friend.
Yes, we know. Yes.
Come out food for my mouth. Eh? Come out food for my mouth. Anyway, I'll catch one of them one day.
Where are you carrying me to?
To your house now. To your house.
V? Carry me to my house? Okay. So that what will happen?
Why they talk what happened? So you don't want to go home again?
I beg. I will go home at my own time. I beg. Eh? You want to carry me to my house so that my landlord will find reason to ask me out of his house? Eh? And that fat bottom thing he calls his wife. We now say that today he's going to collect all the money I've been owing her. I beg, I will go home at my own time, I beg.
So because of the money you owe your landlord, you don't want to go to the house again?
Sharp. What's your business?
I'm sorry.
I will go home at my own time, please.
Okay. Take your assay pass. Let's go.
When you come back from house.
If this woman knows I'm back, I will chop your meat alive. I can hold it there.
Ma? Did I hear you say that wretched was on his back?
No.
Where is he? Where is that disease that is walking on 2 feet?
Vibut.
Yes.
The police are still holding him now.
Yes. So why were you shouting his name?
Me? Ha! If not that you are my landlord's wife, I would have asked you if you are suffering from malaria.
You are mad. Osanju! I know you are here. Open this door. I said open this door. Hey! You will open this door today or you want to sleep here? You want to die in this room? Osanju!
DPO, this is a complete hula balloon. I should have scored maximum points from this. Instead, what did I get? Only 6 cartons of biscuits. Only 6 cartons of biscuits, DPO. You should never have released that criminal.
I had no choice in this matter. You and I know that that man is not a criminal. His association came here in full force looking for how to get him released. If I had kept that man more than necessary, there would have been riot here. And things would have become messy. And that would have given the police a bad name that we can ill afford.
DPO, you said you have a solution to all this. What is it?
You are not talking, Chief. We found out that this man is very important to his association. And we can use him to get the vote of everybody in that association. And there are a lot of them.
How? Good.
Just give him some money. He will use it to campaign for you. In the Barrow Pushers Association, his word is a law. And if he says they should vote for you, nobody asks questions.
DPO, are you sure of what you are saying?
Chief, do I look like somebody that will deceive you?
DPO, Chief, you know why I like the police?
Why?
They have a criminal mind.
Just like the politicians, Chief.
And that is why we should do things in common.
And that is why we're doing things in common.
DPO! Chief. All right, DPO, I am going to do exactly what you advised me to do, all right? That's it, Chief.
I have told you I am not leaving this place today. Today, I'm waiting for you.
This one that you are sitting here, I hope there's no problem.
You will know if there is a problem if that man Vibu does not pack out of this compound today.
Which Vibut? He's also on the back. The police are still holding him.
Which police? He is hiding inside, and he thinks I don't know.
Inside. Osando, if you are inside this room, come out. Osando! Osando! Are you sure he's inside here?
Wherever it is that he is, I am not moving out of this place until he pays me all the money that is owing me.
Dear Kitty, come in. Please watch.
Hey! Wherever she got this agidi from, oh. Hey!
You are looking for who to kill. Me, V-Boot. 1 kobo, I will not give anybody. 1 kobo.
Where is my money? Where is my money? Oh, you think you can run forever?
I'll go pay when you are sitting on my top.
So if I get up,
I'll go bring them.
Are you sure?
Bam.
Okay. What? Get up and pay me my money. What is it?
What is money like this? You should find something and do to this your stomach, otherwise you will die one day. Nobody will know what happened.
Thank you for the advice. Come and pay me my money. Oh yeah.
Wait, let me bring it. Let me go and bring it.
Oh yeah, go and bring it. Go and bring the money now. Look, you, I will kill you. Okay. Yeah. See. Okay. There will be war in this compound. If people does not come and pay me all my money in this compound today, something will happen. You must pay me all the money it's owing.
Give me.
House rent.
Shut up your mouth.
Come and give me my cup.
Yes.
I say I'm not the same now by force.
Now you two drink. Wait.
What is your
Every
business?
morning.
What is your business? What is your business?
Madam, give me my usual.
I say I'm not the same.
My usual.
I am not selling. Now by okay, all of you.
Come man, I'm up inside the company call of us now. Now we be V-Boot.
That's your Bible. I go soon collect them.
Sorry, I don't close my mouth.
Madam, waiting now. Cool down now.
Oh, come leave me.
Madam,
how can somebody be owing me like that? He dey owe for Kai. He dey owe for house rent. He dey owe for Bible. What's happen? They burn me because of him.
Madam, I beg, I'm not there for this kind of play. I'm not in the mood at all to play this type of play. Leave me alone. I remove these 2 foams. You are pressing me. Wait!
Hey! Chief! You are standing there, somebody is insulting your wife. Hey!
No, don't.
Chief!
No.
Hey! Chief!
Take it easy. Okay, shut. Thank God you are home. If not for the respect I have for you, I would have told you face to face, you can't do me anything. This is man to man. I would have told you that this woman you called your wife is a witch.
Hey!
No,
Chief!
hold on.
Chief!
Hold on first.
Let me ask you.
Oh!
Is it Y-boot or V-boot they call you?
Mix it.
Osondo. So, you are insulting my wife in my presence. Osondo. And in my yard, of all places.
I said I would have. I have not said anything. Did I insult you? Did I call you idiot?
That's English.
Hey!
Did I insult him?
Chief, this man.
No.
This man. This man. He's insulting you. He's strong. He's what?
Okay. Leave him.
Huh? You are calling me.
Come outside. Come. Let me give you a surprise. Come.
Eh?
No.
Is it
hold on.
Chief.
Shut.
People.
Okay. Go open carry my phone up. Bring my jackknife. I'm punching bag. Me. Leave him. I will pieces your.
Hold on, come on. Will you keep a distance?
Landlord, I'm respecting you. You know I love you.
I said it. Come on. I told you that you are keeping criminals in this country. You have carried him. Yes. Hey, whoa, Chief.
No, don't go.
Eh? I told you, but you won't listen to me. You won't listen.
You finally want to use poison.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
I will deal with you.
Eh?
I said I will deal with you.
Hey, I beg. Come on. Hi. Chief. Whatever I have done to you, please forgive me. Don't kill me. Look at me, Chief. Look at me. 40 years. 40 good years. I've not achieved anything. I'm not even married. Huh? So if you kill me now, it will be a waste of energy to you. God don't even want to see me. You can imagine. I did not beg those stupid policemen to release me. They would have left me where I was before. Please, I have started enjoying the cell. They have even given me the present of cell. So, Chief, if you allow me go out of this place peacefully without anything, I will go back to that police cell, whether they like it or not, to lock myself. I beg you.
Maybe if you keep quiet,
I will tell you why you've been brought here.
Chief, please.
Now, come on. Sit down. I said, come. Come. Hey, sit down there. Viewed. I am a politician. I am not supposed to kill but to win elections. I am contesting for the gubernatorial election in this state. In fact, I want to become the governor for this state. I want you to help me. Yes, I was told that you are a very popular person in your union.
Yes, sir.
Good. I want you to use your popularity to help me get the votes of your members so that I will win the election. Please. And if you just do that, that young lady will be yours.
Chief, what are you telling them?
Open it. Very good. I want you to use this money and campaign for me. I want you to win all the members in your union for me.
Chief,
I must win the election.
Chief, I've been begging you since, please. No vex. Please, don't kill me. Why did you give me this kind of big money? This is enough to kill me. Huh? Please.
People, like I said, use it to do campaign for me. It is all yours.
Yeah.
But you can use it any way you want.
I need to make big money. Not like this kind of money. This one can kill me. This one can kill me.
I'm a very busy man and I have several other things to do. All right? Let me go and start doing them. Take the money. Just go with the money. Do you want me to take it home?
No. Yes, Chief.
All right. Do your best. I trust you. Use your popularity with all your members, union. All right? Get them for me. I will see you before the election proper. All right?
Osondu don't hit him money. Yeah. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. He don't hit the jackpot. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. Osondu, also known as V-Boot. A common man, a wheelbarrow pusher. One day I see they find waiting to job. By mistake, he go jam Chief moto. Chief carry V-Boot to put him for jail. But a miracle happen. Chief come release him. Carry money, give him, make him in campaign manager. To help Chief, make he become governor. Osondu don't hit him money. Hey. Osondu. He don't hit the jackpot. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman.
Not that cup of my son.
From grace to grace. From poor man to chairman, yeah. Campaign manager. Alias Vibutu. Osondu don't hit him money. Yeah. Osondu. Alias Vibutu. He don't hit the jackpot. Osondu. Alias Vibutu. From poor man to chairman. Osondu. Alias Vibutu. From poor man to chairman.
That's the cool. 200 naira. Huh? For what?
Because of the bag we carry now.
Is it because of the bag you are charging me 200 naira? 1 kobo. I'm not going to give you from that bag.
Jesus Christ. Okay, pay 150.
150. Where are you going? Do I beg you to come and open the door for me? I want to put the bag. Put the bag. See how foolish you are.
This one, his eyes are shifting around like this. Hey, who knows what he's thinking? He will carry somebody to a place where they will rob this person now.
Stop me here. Stop me here.
Stop you?
I said drop me here.
You said as a Kulu.
Are you the one now telling me where I'm going? Drop me here. Drop me here. Drop me here. Drop me here.
What about my money now?
Have you seen money? If you see money, will you stand?
Me.
Drop me here, my friend. Dot Unyori. Thief. Drop me here.
Yeah, man.
I made them put inside the food. Why they use this bag? They stop all this money. And what be all these things?
They talk to you still, they shake. Carry this bag, oh boy. You don't know your job. Carry this bag.
I don't tell him for down, man. Make us stand there. Man, no.
Driver. Drop me here.
He like saying something wrong with you. He said fuck.
If you don't say anything, you're not gonna drop me. Huh? If you don't drop me now, I will tell you that I come from a lift there.
Myself, I come from my own resort. You never start.
Drop me, oh. Drop me, I know they play, oh.
Driver, drop this man now,
Make you drop my bed. Make you drop this man, oh. I don't want wahala. I don't want wahala, oh. I don't want wahala.
Make you carry wahala come out, I beg.
I beg carry you, go down.
Come down.
Carry you,
go down. Now where does someone start? Go down.
I'll put the go back. Okay.
Go to the face. Where are you going?
Hey, just carry me, they go.
Then how will I know where to turn to?
You won't make I tell you, make go tell others.
Yeah?
Just they go. When we reach there, I will tell you.
Then be ready with your money. Bring your
Wait. I beg you. I tell you, shall not get hand.
Bring your load. Hey! You sure say no be thief you be? You don't crazy before?
Now you the crazy. You all don't mix madness. I beg go.
See your. Come on, now plug this one now. Wait.
I know they go again.
You don't crazy finish.
Go.
Sorry for you. Enter the rubber.
Yes. And this is the time you are coming back from school, Abi? I think, without your double left leg like my own.
Mama!
Shut up your mouth, don't mama me. Is this the time that your mate comes back from school? Eh? Go and pull those things from your body and come and sit down here. This thing go bump picking like this, no go pick on station.
Madam Bobo, this your daughter no bad though.
Hey, monkey, come out your idea if you don't want blind.
Let me children on now again.
Listen, now people where they push through.
Okay, you go on.
Why must people always gather in front of this compound? Eh?
Make sure you have my money with you, because if you don't, I will go and call those same policemen that came to arrest you to come and carry you again. I've told you.
What do they carry?
Ada! 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 Come and sit here.
This bag cannot stay here at all. If I take it outside, people will see it and better this way, better.
We shall see today. I am waiting for you here. Today, I will not leave this place today. You good for nothing, man. You own everything in this house is free for you. You will not get this one for free, I'm telling you. You will not get this one for free. You will pay me all my money. In short, you will pack out of this compound. You must pack. Osondu must pack out of this compound today.
So, finally, what do I do with all this money now? First, I will pay Madam Vovo all the money I am owing her. And the landlord too. But wait, why should I pay landlord? I have enough money to do whatever I want. Why shouldn't I just buy the whole house?
Osondu don't hit him money. Eh. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. He don't hit the jackpot. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. Osondu, also known as V-Boot. A common man, a wheelbarrow pusher. One day I see they find waiting to chop. By mistake, he go jam Chief
V-Boot.
But a miracle.
This one where you are so stay like this. The rolling stomach don't start again.
Carry money, give him, make him campaign manager. To help Chief, make he become governor. Osondu don't hit him money.
What is wrong with you? How would I know? Do I look like a juju priest?
He don't hit him jackpot. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu. From grace to grass. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu. Campaign manager. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From grass.
Moses, are you sure V-Boot is alright? That is what I'm watching. God knows.
Maybe I'll just pay this man for 1 year rent. Yes, rent of 1 year. Or even pay him for 15 years. So that the landlord and his hippopotamus wife will not come to disturb me. No. I think I'll have to buy the house, rent it to people and get more money. That's what I will do. And I'll buy all this and rent out to people at the rate of 100 naira. Instead of normal 150, she has been cheating on us all this while. No. If I rent at 100, I will fail. I will rent at 200 naira and make more profit. More profit. After a while, I'll begin to rent at 250 naira. Then more profit will come. Yes, that's what I will do.
Good. This is serious. Huh? Why are you greeting? Why are you greeting like that? No.
If you try it again, I will bury you down with naira notes. I will wrap you like this, like man.
Osondu don't hit him money. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. He don't hit the jackpot. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman, yo. Osondu. Jai. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman, yeah. Osondu. 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 Alias V-Boot. Osondu, also known as V-Boot. A common man, a wheelbarrow pusher. One day I see they find waiting to job. By mistake, he go jamu chief moto. Chief carry V-Boot to put him for jail. But a miracle happen. Chief come release him. Carry money, give him, make him in campaign manager. To help chief, make he become governor. Osondu don't hit him money. Hey. Osondu. Osondu, alias V-Boot. He don't hit him jackpot, Osondu, alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman, yeah. Osondu, from grace to grass, alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman, yeah. Osondu, campaign manager, Osondu, alias V-Boot. Osondu don't hit him money, yeah. Osondu, alias V-Boot. He don't hit the jackpot, Osondu, alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman,
These demons that stop people progress. Let me see how they are going to steal this. Or how they are going to steal this. Let them come and try it. Jeez.
Osondu, also known as V-Boot. A common man, a wheelbarrow pusher. One day I see they find waiting to job. By mistake, he go jamu chief moto. Chief carry people to put on.
Why are you sneaking around like a small demon? Where are you going by this time of the night?
I want to go and peace.
Peace?
Yunko, what are you doing outside?
Peace. Go and peace. Where are you going?
I want to go and peace.
Where? Peace here this side. Don't go there. Peace this side.
Why? This is where I always peace now.
Yeah? Always? So you don't have respect anymore? Yeah? Landlady said nobody should peace this side again. No more. If you want to peace here. Shift right. Shift.
Are you going to stand there and watch me?
Shut up, my friend. Peace. If you want to peace, don't talk. And peace, get out. Where are you going? What if he has been peeping? No. Let me go and pick it up.
hit him money. Eh. Osondu, alias V-Boot. He don't hit the jackpot. Osondu, alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu, alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu, alias V-Boot. Osondu, also known as V-Boot. A common man, a wheelbarrow pusher. One day I see they find waiting to job. By mistake, he go jam Chief moto. Chief carry V-Boot to put him for jail. But a miracle happen. Chief come release him. Carry money, give him, make him in campaign manager. To help Chief, make he become governor. Osondu don't hit him money. Hey. Osondu, alias V-Boot. He don't hit him jackpot. Osondu, alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu, from grace to grass. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu, campaign manager. Osondu, alias V-Boot. From grass to grace. From poor man to chairman.
Landlord, I have come to see you. This is for your rent. I know this is more than the rent, but enjoy it. Enjoy it. Volvo. This is for the barrow I owe you. And advance in case my friends want to use the barrow for tomorrow, today or tomorrow. The rest, keep it and enjoy it. I want to tell you guys something. I am not the kind of people you people will joke with. If not for God Almighty, I should have bought this house from you. Bought it and shift you people to one of the last rooms very close to the toilet. Yes.
It doesn't really matter where you move us to. You have now come. When I said it that you are my best tenant in this yard, my wife wouldn't believe you. Honestly speaking, if every other tenant in this yard would have been behaving like you, and stop waiting for me to be chasing them around before they pay me their house rent. Hey, this house would be a better place to live in.
Oh, good afternoon.
Afternoon, my dear.
Is it only your father and your mother that you see here? Didn't you see V-Boot?
V-Boot, just pack it there.
So he's a man who don't know that calls Moses and Nathan small boys. Take. You can buy yourself chewing-gum. And pass.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Money.
That's it. Any question? How much do you make a day?
Why?
You see why the world is upside down. I asked you a question and you answered me why. It's why the answer to my question.
Okay. I make 500 naira a day. Oh, and if people that are making money are making noise, you will open this your mouth and talk. Attack. Mind yourself. V-Boot, one amo.
Yes, this is another thing that will stop in this house. Calling me V-Boot. Don't you ever call me V-Boot again in this house. Call me chairman.
Yes.
Chairman.
Chairman, oh. Chairman. Any day you forget it, you run into trouble.
Chairman.
Yes. How much do you make it?
5,000 naira now. 5,000 naira, you are making bad.
Did I ask you any question? Huh? I want to employ both of you as my bodyguards.
Body what? Bodyguard.
Bodyguards. You know people like us need bodyguards.
Vibut, let's forget about that chairman matter. Why do you need bodyguard?
I have told you to stop calling me Vibut. Chairman to you. Chairman to you.
Chairman.
Henceforth. Okay. Huh. This is your first salary. Okay?
Chairman!
Yes, and what are you guys still doing there? Come here. You come here.
Chairman! Yes, Chairman! Chairman, too much.
Look, let me tell you. Like say that I did see they take the sell this okokoro for your woman. I go leave this very work what I did do. Could they drink taste and like say that my hand work to come.
Okoko, has it not been your job?
Yeah, you think that I does not know that you dog me. You dog me.
Adanna, leave him. Leave him, let him talk rubbish. Whenever Ogogoro enters his mouth, he will begin to misbehave and talk as if he is a Sophia.
There you go, sit down.
I don't blame him.
Come out of here, let me see. Vivi. Tell me, Terry, don't think that you can use your side to present it. After all, there is no clovers in you. Are you not going to work today?
My friend, keep your distance. You all should call him Chairman.
Chairman. Because of this, Bodo now go call a Chairman.
Chairman.
How much for all the kai on this table?
Hey. 1,500. Shut up.
Look at money.
Count all of it and give it to everybody. Hey. Give it to all of them. This is yours. When you finish, come and sit Chairman in the room. We have important thing to discuss. Very important.
Hey, and you too. Hey, you and people. Hey. That's all.
This is all the money I've been owing you.
Thank you.
And this will be enough to pay for all the barrels. Okon.
Chairman.
Take this. Share to everybody. Let them go and eat.
Give me money. Go.
CID.
guys can give us chance, Chairman want to discuss business.
Chairman?
Yeah. Maybe I'll call you. Wait. Buy chewing-gum. Oh, let me make it 5,000. Let me make it 5,000. Yes, buy chewing-gum from your mother's shop. I'll collect it.
Yeah.
All of you go. Oh, good. Evening. What is it? I've come to see you. Welcome. What is it? Fifi. Chairman. Oh, sorry, chairman. In my place, they say he who asks questions does not miss road. Welcome. Ask your questions before you start speaking English like somebody who works in Ministry of Information.
Okay.
Speak up.
Okay. You see, I've been wondering, all this money you've been spending, how do you make it?
Okay.
Chairman. Oh, chairman.
Do you know where the wind is coming from?
No.
You want to know where my money is coming from so that you can steal it, Abi?
Eh?
And you call yourself my friend. You see your life now? W. Can you imagine? You want to know where my money is coming from? The bastard want to make money. You don't know the consequences behind making money. At all, so that tomorrow night you come and answer chairman. Come and spoil my dinner. Boys! Chairman! Welcome with that girl. Her name... Let's continue from where? Let's stop.
So, now that you have...
How are you guys feeling?
Fine.
Fine. You're very fine. Don't feel that side. You talk. Don't talk from the side. Feel that side. Close your eyes. Possibly. Don't close them.
Yes, chairman, yes.
Osondu don't hit him money. Yeah. Osondu. He don't hit the jackpot. Osondu. From poor man to chairman. Osondu. From poor man to chairman.
What do you want?
Is Beirut in?
We need chairman.
Beirut? Tell him Chief is looking for him.
One day I see they find waiting to chop. By mistake, he go jam.
It's outside.
Chief carry people to put them for jail. But a miracle happen. Chief come release them. Carry money, give them, make them in campaign manager. To help Chief make he become governor. Or Sunday don't hit him.
Chief, you know, since that day you gave me that money,
yes,
my life has been in danger. I felt insecure. You know, those people who don't like what we do. I mean, our political opponents have been looking for one way or the other to pull us down. So I deem it fit to get bodyguards just like you do. Big man. Don't like big man.
No, it's all right. It's necessary.
Yeah.
I like that. It's good.
Go back. This is Chief. He's not a political opponent, so you cannot protect me from him.
Okay, Chairman.
Thank you. Right.
Chairman.
Thank you. See, they are small but dangerous. Very dangerous.
Okay.
I watched them kill 2 people in 2 minutes.
What? Huh?
Yes.
All right. Tomorrow is the election day.
Oh, yes.
How far have you gone?
We're winning.
Huh?
We're winning.
I like to hear
all
that.
the barrel pushers in this state has been mobilized. Good. Yes. You will see what will happen tomorrow. Chief, if you do not win this election, then I'm not V-Boot.
V-Boot?
I believe in V.
V-Boot? I like to hear
yes.
it. So?
The Caterpillars Drivers' Wives Association and the Barrel Pushers' Wives Association and the Pure Water Sellers Association, they've all agreed to vote you in.
V-Boot?
Because of V.
V-Boot?
Yes.
Good to hear this.
Yes. The only people I have not considered very well are those Ground Sellers Association. They have been coming and begging for them to vote you, and I have not, considered it fit to give them chance yet.
Why? We need to answer them. Answer them. Look, you must answer them immediately. Remember, we are going into the government house.
You can say that again. Sharp.
Remember, you will remain the Commissioner for Barra Affairs in this state. Commissioner.
I believe in V.
Oh, good. Yes. Now that you've concluded that arrangement, I need to do some other things, all right?
He don't hit the jackpot. From poor man to chairman. From poor man to chairman. Osondu, also known as V-Boot, a common man, a wheelbarrow pusher. One day I see they find waiting to chop. By mistake, he go jam Chief moto. Chief carry V-Boot to put him for jail. But a miracle happen, Chief come release him. Carry money, give him, make him in campaign manager. To help Chief, make he become governor. Osondu don't hit him money. Osondu, alias V-Boot. He don't hit him jackpot. Osondu, alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. From grace to grass. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman.
You get up from that seat. You lousy toad. This is how you were sleeping and we lost the election. Oh!
Chief, my sincere feelings. I heard the news on the television, and when they were reading the results, all that was going through my mind is, Chief is finished. Chief is finished. Chief.
Shut up! You told me that V-Boot would help me win the election, and I gave him all the money he needed. Instead of him to use the money to do the campaign, he did little or nothing. And I failed. I failed woefully.
Sorry.
Now, listen. I want you to get that boy arrested and get back all my money, or else I'll use this your head as lunch.
Calm down, Chief. Calm down. We will do something.
Quickly?
Adana, you are still sitting there, eh? Oh, you've not seen the people coming. Nana, let me tell you, me. I don't have a dime to bail anybody. If they arrest you, sit there. You won't run.
Mama, it's only somebody that has committed a crime that runs away when he sees the police. Me, I've not done anything.
My friend, where is Reboot?
I don't know.
Where is he? That road, where is he?
I don't know.
When he comes back, tell him the DPO says you should report at the station. If not, when we catch him, that photographer outside will look far better than he will look when we finish with him. Do you understand me?
Just tell him. Tell him, oh. Thieves.
Let's go.
Where is Reboot?
I don't know.
We don't know. If he comes back, tell him that Chief is looking for him. And if he knows what is good for him, he should try and see Chief before tomorrow.
Also tell him that when he is coming, he should come with the bag of money she gave to him. If not, when we finish with him, even the devil will be afraid to touch his body. Tell him that.
Don't forget.
Hey! I said it. I said it, oh! I warned your father. I told him that I shouldn't allow people like this to stay in this compound, but he won't listen. He was blindfolded by money. You see? Hey! What is his name? Reboot. They are looking for him. Left, right, center, everywhere. Hell! And when they don't see him, it is way that they will come and carry. Hey! This house.
Mama, easy.
Easy what? Oh! You want them to come and carry this? Abby, go and start packing your things. Pack your things, we are leaving this house. We are leaving now!
Osondu don't hit him money. Yeah. Osondu.
That is what I called you to tell you. You people should help me ask Osondu why we cannot drink water and drop cup in this house. Today, if it's not armed robber, it will be police. Osondu, we all run every day for what we do not know. You people should help me ask him. You have to tell us. And if you don't, you must back out of this compound today.
Well, Osondu is here with us. So let him tell us what is going on. Osondu, what is going on?
You people have nothing to be afraid of. God's sake. Those men that are looking for me are my business associates. I did business with them. In fact, they are owing me some money and they are looking for me to pay me.
Osondu, so you did business with police people, eh?
But I did business with the policeman. It's nobody's business. It's nobody's concern. So please, madam, don't make me angry. Oh.
Jama, calm down. She does not know what she's doing.
Simple as that.
Hey, Chief. Chief, I'm telling you, I have told you.
No,
you better do something, oh.
No,
you better do something because if police people come to this compound, I'll be the first person to carry my bag.
Let me peace.
I have told you.
From grass to grace, from poor man to chairman. No Sunday in life don't change. Plenty money don't confuse. Oh Sunday, alias Vibutu. Turn am to mumu instead of to campaign yo and help chief win. He begins spend the chief money anyhow. Chief don't lose election. On Sunday is in trouble. Biggie trouble. Na serious wahala. On Sunday don't hit the jackpot. On Sunday. Alias V-Boot. He don't hit the money. Big money. On Sunday. Alias V-Boot. Mr. Campaign Manager, Osondu, 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 from woman to chairman, Osondu, big man, big man.
Let me ask you this question. What have you done that the whole town is looking for you? Eh?
Meaning?
Those two men have been here 4 times. The last time they came with that fat one they call Chief. And policemen have been here 3 times. 3 times. Osondu, please, I'm begging you. If you are owing anybody, go and pay that person. No? We don't want trouble in this year, though. Meaning what? Yeah.
Lord, am I owing you?
No, you're not owing me, but they said if they come back here again and they don't find you, they're going to bundle all of us.
Don't embarrass me.
They will not bundle me, oh. They will not bundle me. Because I am going inside now to pack my things. I'm going straight to my father's house. Take action. You don't want to take action. German.
Beirut, have you finished running?
Running for what?
Okay, if you're not running, then that is Chief's money.
The Chief tell you I'm owing him.
Oh.
I'm not owing Chief. Why are we still wasting time? Let us bundle this thief to Chief.
No, wait, excuse me, wait, sorry. Adam! No! Moses! I did not do anything. Tell the whole world that I did not do anything. I didn't beg him to give me money. He just gave me that money and I didn't beg him. I did not, this is injustice. Injustice to the highest level. Everybody. Let's go.
Osondu don't hit him money. Hey. Osondu. He don't hit the jackpot. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. From poor man to chairman. Osondu. Alias V-Boot. Osondu, also known as V-Boot. A common man, a wheelbarrow pusher. One day I see they find waiting to job. By mistake, he go jamu Chief moto. Chief carry V-Boot to put him for jail. But a miracle happen. Chief come release him. Carry money, give him, make him in campaign manager to help Chief.